If you want to get rid of your home gym, the Vectra 3800 is a great alternative. This has a ton of features, and I'm going to go over some of them, some things I like about it. As you may know, Vectra is the #1 selling home gym. I've had every Vectra unit that you can imagine, and even though they're out of business now, if you can find a Vectra unit, it's well worth it. They're made in America, it's solid, it lasts forever. This gym can last you 30, 40, 50 years or whatever. So at any rate, let's go over some of the features of Vectra, and I hope that you will enjoy it and find one of your own. Come on. Let's start with the first station. This, first of all, has an adjustable pivot arm that you can adjust for different positions, whether it's low positions for a decline, a regular bench, all the way up to squats. So just for a regular flat bench, I adjust this down to that position. And I'm ready to go. Incline, just pivot my bench out. And I'm set for incline. Declines, very similar. To adjust for regular presses, and there's a press. I don't have any weight on this machine for the demos because when we're doing the demos, we have to move the gyms around, so to put 3 weight stacks on, this has 3 individual weight stacks, which means that 3 people can work out at the same time. So this is just one feature. While I'm working out here, another person could be working out over here on the fly, another person could be working on the leg extension, leg curl, or doing a position in the low position. So you got a lot of things here. So let's kick this bench out of the way. Now you've got dips. A dip station. Because the weights are not on the machine will tip when I try to attempt dips, but that's what you'll be doing dips from. You can adjust this to a low position for shrugs. Now I put a squat pad along here, just a regular squat pad that you use on any gym to do squats. You get in position. Now squats. Adjusting this up all the way allows you to do calf raises. These handles allow you to do really close grip exercises. So if you want to do close grip, things like tricep exercise or close grip bench presses. So I've got a close grip. Let's go to the next station. With this station, you have a strap that allows you to do your abs. Tricep extensions. Leg extensions. And leg curls. You simply tip this up and curl. But that's not all. You have back rows. Now this adjusts for different person's lengths whenever you're trying to do exercise. If you can't reach, you adjust it for whatever position you need. Come in and you got a perfect back row. 2 different positions. Adjust this back. Let's go to our third position. So here you have a ratcheting, what's called a ratcheting fly position, because most people don't have the flexibility to reach way back and do the exercises. So this one allows you to bring this forward all the way, and then you can ratchet back to wherever you want your stretch to be. Now your exercise is performed from that position. So I've got a good stretch now when I do the exercises. And to reset it, go all the way back, and then it resets to the front again. So now if this is all the flexibility that I have or that I need, I can work from here. But if I need to stretch more, which for me, I would go back a little bit more to maybe here, and that's where I do my exercise from. So that's a great feature. Ratcheting pec decks. This adjusts up and down for hold downs, different positions when you're doing things like pull downs. It's a good hold down. Or if you're doing push down for triceps. So whatever high pull exercise you can do, you have the opportunity to do those here. This comes with a lot of attachments. So you can take this attachment away. Now you have regular tricep rope, which you can do from this position. Or you can attach it here. Now you have hammer curls. So all of these attachments that you see here, you have an ankle strap that you can attach, allow you to do kickbacks, adduction, abduction exercises with the ankles, with the strapping attached there. You have a short bar. It allows you to do things like bent over curls, bent over rows, regular curls, reverse, shrugs, upright rows. You get an idea? This thing allows you to do everything. From this position, you got your wrist curls, regular curls, and you've got attachments where you can do with a V attachment. Allows you to do things like your rows, whether it's high or low. This doesn't even scratch the surface. I've been showing you quite a few of the exercises that you can do with the Vectra 3800, but again, it can replace every exercise you can do in your gym, and I think it's a great bargain. This is a gym that's, again, very well built. Every adjustment that you can imagine, you can adjust for different angles and positions, and I think it's a great find, if you can find one. The Vectra 3800 is, again, top of the line home gym that you can buy. All right, let's go over how you can use it in a regular routine.